The best supply chains are the ones you don't see. Customers never have to think about them. They just walk into your store or go online, and the products they want to buy are available immediately. But if you're not ready when demand spikes, or supplies get delayed, your customers are left waiting. You lose sales revenue, and partners who rely on you lose trust. Managing these disruptions is a big problem for companies that rely on aging, customized business applications that make it difficult to change course. Oracle provides a full suite of supply chain and manufacturing applications that run in the cloud. That includes everything you need to bring new products to market and effectively manage procurement, manufacturing, inventory, and logistics. When you see big changes to demand or the flow of goods, Oracle Supply Chain Planning can help you react quickly to balance supply and demand. If there's a disruption with a key supplier, Oracle Procurement helps you identify trusted sources of supply to keep your factories running at full capacity. And Oracle Transportation and Global Trade Management help you fulfill orders perfectly, whether it's by land, sea, or air, and enable you to comply with fast-changing global trade regulations. By leveraging sensory data, machine learning, and blockchain, you can monitor the flow of goods and their condition, connect fleets, anticipate machine repairs, and monitor workplace safety. And you can focus on running your supply chain since all the updates are managed for you to help you continuously adapt and innovate. See how Oracle Supply Chain and Manufacturing can help you improve resilience and keep customers happy beyond your next move.